And now an update on the trial for the Huntingdon County woman charged in the death of her 6-week-old son is now in his second day. Our Lauren Hensley has been in the courtroom all morning long. She's here live with the very latest now. Lauren, what can you tell us?
Well, Lindsay, day 2 picked up with a state trooper. It picked up on an interview with Maria Boyd the day after her son's autopsy. Now, police knew going into this interview that the autopsy showed that the boy did not die of natural causes. And in court today, they reread the transcript that when they told Maria Boyd that this was not a natural death, they describe her as being hysterical when she learned the news that there could have been some injuries to her son. Now, following that trooper on the stand, there was a medical doctor who took the stand. He was the one who performed the autopsy, and he was given a baby doll to show some of the areas where he did find injuries on little Andrew. Now, one thing that he pointed out and noticed right away during this autopsy was a spiral fracture. Now, reading from my notes, he described that a spiral fracture takes great force to occur. The prosecution did ask if this could happen if a child, let's say, fell off the bed, fell off your lap, and the doctor said no. Once again, this is an injury that takes great force. Now, the autopsy is a very logical, methodical, it's a time-consuming process, and in court right now, they're still walking through those steps one by one. We expect this doctor to be on the stand for quite some time, and right now what the prosecution is doing is they're building the case to show that this death was not a natural, rather that somebody injured this boy. The prosecution arguing that that person was Maria Boyd. However, the defense is maintaining that there were 3 people who had access to the child. Now, coming up at 5 and 6, we're going to have so much more about the testimony heard today. Reporting in Huntingdon, Lauren Hensley, 6 News.